Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about the face detection and recognition technology. We also created a script using the Python coding and we fetched the facial expressions of our face, not just the one face. We also modified that script for reading the expression of multiple faces at the same time. So in today's video, we are going to explore the world of ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT actually? It's a pre-trained model on a lot of data which is designed by the OpenAI. It uses the applications of natural language processing and deep neural networking and then gives the response in the form of text, just like a human can generate. It can help you in learning the things, whatever the topic you are interested in, for example say coding, legal things only, and it can help you in learning the languages also, because it's have the ability to translate the language. It can communicate with you, and it can also help you in creating the content. Today we are going to use this ChatGPT with the PictoBlocks environment, and in the beginning we will be exploring the few functions of this ChatGPT in PictoBlocks, and then later on we will be embedding this with speech recognition and text to speech, so that we can give a voice input from our end, and then ChatGPT will convert that thing into a useful information and then will give us a result in the form of text to speech. So let's explore the world of ChatGPT. Here we are again in the PictoBlocks Python coding environment of the PictoBlocks. For using this ChatGPT, firstly you have to sign in with your account. Let's explore the number of applications that we are having in this PictoBlocks. So these are the n number of applications that we can embed, that we can use here in Python coding as well as a block coding. These are all based on AI and ML environment. For now we are going to explore this ChatGPT extension here. So how we are going to add this ChatGPT here? So you have to type ChatGPT and there appears a suggestion. Just hit the enter button and this ChatGPT extension is now added to your script. Firstly, when we are asking something to ChatGPT, it generates a text. The length of the text is too much. So here we can define how many number of words we are interested in, so that we can get a specific number of words in our output. So how we are going to do this? There is a function in PictoBlocks called gpt dot set maximum token value. So this maximum token value accepts an integer value, and this represents the total number of words. For example, for now I'm setting this 200. This means whatever the input, whatever the thing I'm asking to ChatGPT, this will generate, this will give me a result in 100 number of words in the form of a text that will contain only 100 number of words. To work with the ChatGPT or to ask the thing to the ChatGPT, the first function is gpt dot ask on ChatGPT. It accepts the two parameters. First is you can give anything here. For example, say I'm giving this AI assistant. You can say this is the name of your file and here is your message, whatever the input you want to give, and whatever the thing you are asking to ChatGPT, this will create a history for you under this name, and later on you can access that particular history, just like we are having the chat in our GPT environment, ChatGPT environment. And here I can create a message here, for example, how are you? So this message, I have fed this message to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate a response of this particular message. So answer equal to ChatGPT dot ChatGPT result. So this ChatGPT result will return the response of our ChatGPT in the form of text, and that text is stored inside this answer variable sprite dot say answer. So let's run this code. So here we got the result. Other thing that we can do, we can ask the definition for our particular text. For example, say we can modify this thing to ask definition, and this accepts only one argument here, and that argument is our message. So let's run this code. So here you got the information about that particular message. You asked it for the definition, and here ChatGPT generated the result for that particular message. You can also use this ChatGPT to convert the languages. For example, instead of asking the definition, I just want this chat must be converted to, this message must be converted to Spanish language or any other language. So what I can do, GPT dot translate language. First thing that I have to give is the message that I want to translate. So here the message that I have here, I want to translate this message to Spanish language. Let's just check. So here we got the result. For example, we want to change this to Russian. So here we got the result again. For example, if you want to convert any chat to emoji, pt dot move to emojis and enter the name of the text. For example, say I'm saying Batman. So let's just check the result here. So here we got the result. Happy. So this is how you can convert, or you can interact with your ChatGPT. It's time to embed text to speech and speech recognition applications with this ChatGPT. So let's clear everything from here. These are the things that we have to add here are, firstly, the ChatGPT, speech recognition, text to speech conversion, and we have to set the maximum token value 50. Now I have to create a forever loop, use while true, and sr dot analyze speech. This function will analyze the speech for how much time do you want. For example, say for 5 seconds, and in which language do you want. I'm interested in English and US. Then message equal to sr dot speech result. So whatever the input I have given is converted into text by this speech recognition extension, and then stored that result into the message. If message equal to null, that so this must say sprite dot say unable to recognize, please retry. And in the else part, ask this particular message to ChatGPT. So GPT dot ask on ChatGPT AI assistant. All the chat is stored inside this AI assistant file, and then the message that we want to ask. So the message is stored in here. Sprite dot say GPT dot ChatGPT result, and ts dot speak GPT dot ChatGPT result. So let's just check this thing. Hi.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
How are you?
As an AI, I don't have feelings, but I'm here to assist you. How can I help you today?
So this is how we embedded our speech recognition. We embedded text to speech with our ChatGPT. You can also create an advanced level of AI assistant for you using these applications. So hope you enjoyed the video, hope you learned something from this. If yes, then please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.